Hello everyone, welcome to Ethiopia Blend. This is Solomon. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create procedural wave marble shader in Blender. Please support us by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell for updates. Stay tuned until the end. Let's get started. First, open Blender. Press Shift A, select the mesh, and add a UV sphere. Next, go to the Modifier tab and add a subdivision surface modifier. To smooth the sphere, enable smooth shading. To better visualize your work, split the window and switch the 3D view to Node Editor. In the Environment tab, use HDRI lighting. I will provide the download link in the description for those unfamiliar. Go to the Material tab and click New. Press Ctrl B to select the render boundary. To hide the background HDRI light, go to the Render tab and check Transparent under View. Then press Ctrl T to add Node Wrangler. Select the image texture, press Shift S and switch the node to a wave texture. Change the texture coordinate from UV to Object. Set the scale to 2. The distortion to nearly 50. The detail to 5. And the detail scale to 3 or your preference. Press Shift A, navigate to Converter and add a color ramp. Move the black point to 0.5 and change the color to any. For a dark green like mine, use the hex code 003B34. Keep the specular at 0.5, but adjust the roughness to 0.25 or 0.3 as you like. No bump map is needed, as many marbles are smoother. This is the final render result. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful. So if you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new, please subscribe to this channel and join our family. Until we meet again, bye bye.